One of the things I was looking for when I was looking for a new house was to have enough of a yard to do some gardening in, and I found it. In fact, the place already had a garden, however, it was very overgrown, and I had to de-weed it and start all over again, which was unfortunate because there was actually a nice raspberry bush already in there, but it was just so unruly and wild, I just felt like starting over. When I finally cleared the garden of all the old stuff, I decided to expand the garden a bit, but I had this one area that was a bit too low, too shallow, so I had to build it up kind of like you would a raised bed, and that's what I'm doing with these pallets. I'm tearing them apart and repurposing them to create kind of a retaining wall. And as you can see, this is the final result. I'm pretty happy with it. Came out pretty good for, free basically. One of the things I noticed about the soil when planting was how rocky it was. And it was like that throughout the whole garden. So I went ahead and created a sifter out of, again, old pallet wood, and went through and sifted all the dirt to get out all those rocks. As you can see, I threw all the rocks behind the retaining wall to kind of prop it up and give it some stability, some extra stability, and worked out good. So the garden has been amazing. It's been a real learning experience. When it comes to work, it's the easiest chore to possibly do. I love the fulfilling nature of it all, to supplement the grocery bill with our own food. It's amazing. I'm definitely gonna do this for the rest of my life. It's fun, it's practical. You always learn new things. 1 year we try, 2 years actually, we tried doing corn, but it's just too shady in the backyard, I think, and we always got fungus on the corn, so we stopped doing corn. But I don't know, maybe we'll try again some year and just try to fight against it, to learn more about how to stop corn fungus. I don't know. We'll see. But it's an ongoing process. We learn more every single year, and I highly suggest you try to do it too. if you can. I mean, even if you live in an apartment, try, using your balcony and grow some little things. It's a fun time, promise. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.